Hi friends, now we'll see the next topic, that is the sequencing circuit. This is a sequencing circuit. See the component. First one says the pump, second says the pressure relief valve. Then there is a DCV indicates by the 6. Then 11 indicates that double acting cylinder. There are 9 and 7, it also pressure relief valve with check valve, and 12 also indicate the double acting cylinder. Okay, now see the working. One can find the application of circuit in manufacturing process circuit. Consider if the 2 cylinders are used during the manufacturing process, then sequencing may be, for example, one cylinder is clamping cylinder C1 could extend and working and clamp. Then the second cylinder C2, the punching cylinder extended to pump or punch a hole in a workpiece. The right cylinder then extract the punch, and then left cylinder retract to declamp to the workpiece for removal. Obviously, this machine operational must occur in the proper sequencing established by sequence valve as shown in the figure. A sequence valve causes the operational in hydraulic circuit sequentially. Okay, the figure 4.7 is an example where the 2 sequencing valves are used to control the sequence of operation of double acting cylinder, that is 11 and 12. Okay, for a central position of DCV, both cylinder 11 and 12 are given B, that is the stop. Then next point, that is the left position of DCV. By actuating the left cylinder, the oil from the pump oil from the pump, that is 1, pass through the blind end of the cylinder to 11 port or 11, that is cylinder. The pressure in the blind goes to rise with a given pilot signal to the sequence valve, that is 7. Okay, and the valve 7 opens and allows to oil flow through a rod end of the cylinder 12. Okay, then getting a retract to the position cylinder 12. Okay, for left position DCV 6, see the DCV 6, first there is the extension stroke of cylinder 11, then retraction stroke of cylinder 12. Okay, then next position, that is right position of the DCV, that is indicated by the 6. Okay, by actuating the right cylinder, the oil flows from pump enters first in the rod end of the cylinder, that is shown in the figure 11, and goes complete retraction of the cylinder 11. Then a pressure goes on building at the rod end side of the cylinder, that is 11, which opens sequence valve, that is 9, allowing the oil end in the blind end of the cylinder, that is 12, causing the cylinder, that is 12, to extend. Thus, for the right position of DCV 6, the first retraction of cylinder 11 and then retraction of cylinder or extension of cylinder 12 taken place. Okay, then next point we can say that is a synchronization. Figure shows the synchronization circuit, that is first is parallel and then second is the series. Okay, then see first, an interesting application required synchronizing operation of an identical hydraulic circuit. Okay, in that the loads on this identical cylinder must necessary to equal achieve the extract synchronization. Many times the loads may not be exactly equal. In such a case, the cylinder with a low load would operate first in needs of pressure. Okay, the next, only after this cylinder has reached its end stroke, the pressure further builds up to level. In practice, to the cylinder are selected for the given process. Okay, then next we can say that even packing friction will difference. Figure 4.8 will show the 2 cylinder connected in parallel to the pump. However, it compromises the synchronization speed. Okay, then next For true synchronization operation, the cylinder has to be connected in a series as shown in the figure 4.9. I see the figure 4.9 in series. Also, it is necessary to fulfill the condition of the diesel pump and the pressure. Okay, the working in a position A of DCV valve 4, the oil flows from pump to admit the first cylinder, that is 5. The fluid flow the rod end of the cylinder, that is 1, is delivered to the blank end of the second cylinder, 6. Such both cylinder extend simultaneously since after the return stroke of both cylinder is present on the rod end of the both cylinder. The pump must be capable of delivering a pressure equals to that cylinder 1 by itself overcome the load acting of the cylinder. Okay, and then next point we can say that is hydraulic cylinder for automatic reciprocating of the cylinder. Then see it, there is a one indicate that tank, then second indicate that filter, then 3 indicate that it is a pump, then 10 indicate that there is a pressure relief valve. Okay, 4 in that there are the ABC that indicate that DCV, that called as direction control valve. In that there is a double acting cylinder, and 5 and 6 it is the pressure relief valve with check valve. Okay, now see the working of the same. Some application requires the continuous reciprocating of hydraulic cylinder automatically. It is achieved by using a 2 synchronized valve. Each valve sends the compensation of stroke by build up of pressure check valve, and its pilot line prevent the change of status of the 4-way valve until the stroke of participation cylinder is completed, as shown in the figure 4.1.1 or 4.11. Okay, the automatic continuous reciprocating of cylinder can be accomplished by using 4/2 DCV valve without using the sequencing valve. The double acting or double end rod cylinder actuates the limit switch at the compensation of each stroke. The limit switch in turn may operate the solenoid control direction control valve to a new position. This limit switch can be in a further mechanical latches which makes actuate the direction control valve linkage to the new position. Then see the first position. At the central position B of the DCV valve 4, the cylinder is locked. The cylinder produces a continuous reciprocating of cylinder by using the 2 sequencing valve. Okay, the next second step is when the cylinder extends fully, the pressure is built up. This is the position C of the DCV valve 4. Okay, the sequence valve 5 opens and provides the pilot signal to the DCV valve 4, and hence the position is achieved. The next point, it is in position A of the DCV valve 4. The pressurized oil is supplied to the rod end of the side, hence the cylinder retracts fully against with the bleed or build up the pressure. The sequence valve 6 is opened and provided a pilot signal to the DCV valve 4 to change the position to get a new position. Okay, see each check valve and the check C or the reciprocating pilot line prevents shifting of 4-way DCV valve until the participator or particular stroke of cylinder has been completed. Thank you for watching this video.